Today is 5th February, the day which decides the upcoming 5 year of Delhi. The national capital Delhi is gearing up for yet another high-stake election, with millions of voters ready to decide its future. From the issues like air pollution and infrastructure to unemployment and law and order, every vote counts. Will Delhi choose continuity or a change? The key players, the Aam Aadmi Party, looking to retain power with their promises of education, healthcare, and free electricity, while the BJP aiming for comeback with a strong nationalist narrative. The Congress to regain lost ground. Today we take a closer look at the one of the serious issue, that is the education system of Delhi introduced by Arvind Kejriwal, that becomes the key issue of this assembly election. In a recent interview, PM Modi directly engaged with the student, highlighting the persistent gap and emphasizing the need for deeper and systematic reform.
सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते। जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दें। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो।
If we look at the data, the Aam Aadmi Party runs Delhi government school fails around 1.5 lakh students in class 9 and 11th every year. Despite the High Court order, the government does not allow these students to re-enroll, which shatter their dream of education. Apart from this, 753 out of 1,400, which is nearly two-thirds of the Delhi government school, do not offer science as a subject. That highlights a severe failure in Delhi's education system. And according to the National Achievement Survey 2017, students in Delhi government school from class 3 to 5 perform significantly below the national average in mathematics, environmental science, and if we look at the university level, the enrollment rate in Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University DSCU remains extremely low despite the extensive advertising, with over 60% of seats vacant, forcing the university to shut down the major courses. So do you think the current model meets the educational needs on the ground? As the debate continues, the question remains, can this approach truly transform Delhi's education system? For more updates, keep watching The Kutum.